This is a turnip syrup for a cough, and we made a hole on the turnip. I put it on a container, and it's very simple because you are just going to put on this hole some honey and just keep it there for at least 12 hours. We seal the turnip on a container. We are going to keep it there for 12 hours.